Okay, I'm putting back everything. This is the continuation of the Chevy Camaro 1998. Engine doesn't start. You see, I'm putting back everything. The switch, there's a new switch. I want to show you something too, just in case if you don't know. But the way to remove this one, you see, have a little lock ring over here. You basically, this one you remove, and if you want to remove what part is inside, you just putting this tool. This one I got from O'Reilly. I don't know, you can see it. They call a steering wheel and lock plate remover kit. You see, this is the kit. Come with all this thing. So this one you screw here. Let me show you again. Screw here, like this. But this is an example, please. Don't put it against this plate. This is plastic. You can break it. It's when after you remove this one, you want to get a metal plate, as it's shown on the drawing here. I don't know. You see, the plate is this plate is the plate shown on the drawing here. So after you remove this one, by removing that little lock ring, you see here, this little lock ring, that is that one, this one here, this one here. Then you gotta install this tool to press this one, and then you use, let me show you where I left. Okay, you put in this one like this. You see, you put in this one like this, and then like this. Okay, probably over here, but remember, it's not against this plastic. It's after you remove this plastic assembly. This tool, this part, is going to sit here in this metal plate. So when you tighten this nut, you're going to be pushing this plate in order to remove this ring. You see, this one is kind of cylindrical ring who is really simple to remove, really. When you push that one, you can spread this one out a little bit, and then you pull out. So far is what I have. I hope this one can help you. This is this explored drawing or picture I got from the dealer. The dealer can give you something like that. That one can help you, because just buying the switch plus the key, in this case the key is the code is number 2. This key, let me show you. This key it's a brand new key. Number 2 is the code. In this case, for this model, cost me $25 plus 80 something for the key. Making the key is another, I guess, $15, something like that. So I paid total $125. But if I was sending to the dealer to do it, they will charge me unless $230 more to do the job for labor. So I can say, and I save some money doing that one, and I hope this one can help you to save some money to you too. Oh, it's right here. It's labor $230, key is $25, and the selling costs $88. So if you add everything together, you're talking about probably close to $350. You know, I don't think so everybody would like to spend all that money. Okay, I'm gonna go back to putting back this thing. Good luck, my friends. See ya.